Are you tired of your credit card giving you nothing in return? Feeling like you're just throwing money away with every swipe? Let's change that. Let's flip the script and get you some killer rewards. Imagine turning every purchase into a step towards financial freedom. Here's how you can do it. First up, we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card is a game changer for anyone who loves to travel. Earn double points on dining and travel, plus a massive sign-up bonus to get you started. Picture yourself dining at the finest restaurants or jet-setting across the globe. Use those points to book flights, hotels, or even car rentals. Pro tip: combine your points with Chase's travel partners for even more value. Next, the American Express Blue Cash Preferred. This card is perfect for your everyday spending, giving you 6% cash back on groceries and streaming services. Think about it. Every grocery run and Netflix binge can now earn you money. Use this card for all your household expenses and watch the cashback add up. Tip: set up automatic payments for your streaming services to ensure you never miss out on rewards. Who knew your Netflix binge could be so rewarding? It's like getting paid to relax. And don't forget to use your cashback to pay down your balance or invest in a high-yield savings account. Then, the Citi Double Cash Card. This card is all about simplicity and efficiency. Earn 2% on everything, 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay. No categories to track, just straightforward cashback. Use this card for all your miscellaneous purchases and bills. Tip: pay off your balance in full each month to maximize your rewards and avoid interest charges. No fuss, just pure cashback magic. Watch your rewards grow with every purchase. Consider using your cashback to invest in stocks or mutual funds for long-term wealth building. Finally, the Capital One Venture Rewards. This card is designed for the globetrotter in you. Earn unlimited 2x miles on every purchase, which you can use for flights, hotels, or even cruises. Imagine the endless travel possibilities. Use your miles to cover travel expenses and save your cash for other investments. Tip: take advantage of Capital One's travel portal for exclusive deals and discounts, plus those travel fees? Gone. So why wait? Start planning your next adventure today. And remember, always pay your balance in full to avoid interest and maximize your rewards. Choose the right card and watch your savings and rewards soar. It's time to make your money work for you. Use these strategies to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on maximizing your money. Stay tuned for more ways to build your wealth and make the most out of every dollar. Let's make 2024 your best financial year yet.